continue this to finish this project this afternoon. So we need a smooth paint only. Okay. Because this is not exact the color of this paint for my bumper. Okay, a little bit light only. Okay. That's it, guys. After dry, it's done. See the difference of the color of the paint from this stupor light blue. This one is a dark, a little bit dark color compared to this color. Okay, so that's it, guys. No need too much paint because it's getting dark. So this is a homemade paint bumper repair. So if you have a chance to do this, do your own because you save money. You need to buy a spray color, duplicate color, and you can buy also a primer and sandpaper. That's it. Even I like penetrate too much color. Just to cover this is enough. This is not a brand new vehicle. Okay, so no need to spend wasting money. Okay, only this is a tip coming from you. Coming from you. Waste your not experience in shipping motors. No need the second coating or final coating because it's getting dark. You see the color and the difference. Okay, that's it for now. See you guys. Thank you for watching, and if you want more videos from me, you click the button and subscribe. Okay, for more videos to come and more tips. See you guys.